This protocol can help us stratify the heterogeneous Parkinson's disease by cognitive and motor severity. Using wearable sensors, we can digitize clinical tasks that are commonly used by physicians.
By co-registering activities across different functional levels of the nervous systems, we identify highly informative parameters of cognition, motion, and emotion to produce dynamic digital biomarkers of Parkinson's disease.
This work offers a unifying framework to characterize and track the signatures of neurological disorders in a personalized manner, along with the evolution of an entire cohort receiving a given treatment or therapy.
This technique provides a unifying statistical platform to dynamically track changes in the signatures of statistical variability produced by self-generated biological activities spanning from molecules to cells to behavior.
Streaming multiple software requires a lot of computer memory, so we would advise using computer with high computation capacity, otherwise systems may crash while they're recording.
We use multiple devices to record the brain, body, and the heart, all in tandem, during natural movements, so a dynamic medium such as video would best illustrate this.
Demonstrating the procedures from my lab will be the graduate students Jihye and Vero.
After obtaining informed consents from the participant, measure the participant's body dimensions to allow creation of their body avatar in the motion capture system. Next, set up the motion capture system, including the 17 wireless motion tracking sensors and the motion tracking software. Place sensors on all of the body parts as indicated.